Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back again. Namaste, namaskaram to all the Indian viewers here. This is your African boy. I am from Africa, myself, Gabs Gabi. So, today I'm going to react to India in detail. So, the video title is Mouth Shutting Response to Germans for Mocking India's Train. So, actually, I'm following one Indian page in Instagram. It's called India's Today. So that page actually give every single news that will happen in India. So previously I saw that news about the biggest India train crash, which was really something sad. They lost almost like 200 plus people, I think so. If I'm wrong, you can let me know. And a lot of several injuries, guys, which was really something sad. I was really sad, and I can say rest in peace and my condolence to all the people who lost their loved one in that train, Odisha train. So today I'm going to check that what happened, the response to German for mocking India's train. So let's see what those foreigners are talking about this train crash. And yeah, without wasting time, let's go.
The Odisha train crash, an incident that should have created compassion, has given one more opportunity to India haters to mock and ridicule India. The way it has been presented by the media here, many ordinary people in Europe and even in my country are reacting to this in quite a ridiculous way. So far, at least 5 people have called me to suggest that I should stop traveling on trains in India because they are dangerous. Some foreigners have even declared that India's trains are the most unsafe in the world, and some have said that they would never ever travel on Indian trains. Sabotage, human error, or something else. India must find the reasons behind this through a proper investigation and make sure that it learns from its mistakes. But there is one thing that sounds quite strange. Why did so many foreigners quickly develop such a negative attitude towards Indian railways when train accidents take place all over the world, including in many so-called advanced nations of Europe? Now see this. These visuals are from Spain. Quite scary, isn't it? But did they also label Spanish trains as the most dangerous? Now see this. 2023. These shocking images are from Greece. And by the way, did they also label Greek trains as the most unsafe? Or how about Austria, where many passengers burned to death in a funicular train? Did Europeans' attitude change permanently about Austria's trains after that? Or how about head-on collision between trains? Here is Belgium. And this is Italy. Alright, now let's talk about some harsh figures. In 2019, there were 1,515 significant rail accidents in the European Union, causing hundreds of deaths. And as you can see here, in just 11 years, there have been more than 20,000 significant rail accidents, more than 10,000 deaths, and more than 9,000 serious injuries. Yes, that's the ugly reality of the train infrastructure of the so-called advanced economies in our modern European Union. Now, take a look at these numbers. Number of train accidents in Europe. Focus on 2021. The so-called most advanced economy of Europe, Germany, tops the list here. Then my country, Poland. Then France. Then Czech Republic. And by the way, how can we forget our European trams? Whether you have been to Europe or not, you may have already seen the images of these trams, presented to you almost like a fairy tale, right? Now, see this ugly reality. In this research, in total, 7,535 tram pedestrian accidents resulting in 8,802 pedestrian injuries collected between 2000 and 2021 were analyzed. And see this, 3% fatal and 23% severe. As reported here, even a famous footballer was taken to hospital when his car collided with a tram in Rome. And of course, on various occasions, passengers are also among the victims of these European trams. Now, let's see what is happening in India's neighborhood. For example, China's bullet train crash. Remember that? Remember how it was reported in the media that China was trying to cover up the incident? Now, this is important. The Mumbai's local trains are usually criticized for being overcrowded, and many foreigners love to mock India for that. But then, how about the London Underground, where overcrowding is a fact of life? How about New York? Why don't we see Indians mocking the USA the same way many foreigners mock Indians for their overcrowded trains? Or China? Take a look at these images and take a look at this. That's another advanced country, Japan, where special employees literally push or squeeze the passengers in. The harsh truth is that Europe and the USA act as if they are the champions of the so-called green energy revolution, but then see this. When it comes to railway electrification, as shown here, India performs better than Europe and the USA. Yes, India wants to upgrade its tracks, but the problem related to tracks has also troubled the USA. Before you criticize India, at least understand the humongous size and scale of Indian railways. It is among the largest railway networks in the world, with more than 22,000 operating trains, with a daily passenger count of 23 million passengers, covering more than 67,000 route kilometers. You heard that right, 23 million passengers. In just a single day, India carried more people in its trains than
Okay guys, I'm going to stop here because the power just went off, and yeah, I'm using my Wi-Fi, so I'll stop here. What I want to say, like, it's really sad through to see people making fun of other people. Like, it's really so sad because that day, what I can say, like, what happened, it was really sad day for India, and I'm pretty sure no one, like, it is gonna be studied. No one will forget this, what happened in India. And they said, like, since 2004 there is no any such severe accident which happened ever like this. Like, it was since 2004 up to now. And instead of people comforting and giving a condolence to the ones who lost their life, other people are making fun. That is really bad thing. This is hatred. This is not how we should support each other, no matter whatever reason behind that. I don't care about that, but we have to keep humanity. Humanity should be there, guys, because a lot of people went through injury and lost their life, which is something sad. Even me, that day I really felt bad. Like, you might think that I lost one of my relative, but no, because it was really sad thing. Yeah, it's not about the train only. You have to think about the people life, those who lost their life, guys. So this is what I can say, and once again, rest in peace to those people who lost their life. And yeah, I love India, and I know India will be better. India is really improving. You know, India is a democratic only country I'm seeing that can manage the religions, a lot of religions and a lot of people you can see, but they're still strong, they are managing and still improving. I'm pretty sure if other countries are the same like this, they might be a lot of problem will be going daily, but India is still strong. I can say Jaya Hind first, Jaya Narendra Modi, Jaya Africa, love from Africa. Love you all. Peace out. Let's spread love. I love all the countries, but let's not spread negativity. That is it. All my message from Africa.